I'm Professor Bejon Kumar Misra. I'm the founder of the Consumer Online Foundation, which is based out of New Delhi, India, started in the year 2002. Consumer Online Foundation was started with the key objective that how do we use technology in the favor of the citizens and the consumers and also patients. So we wanted to ensure that at that point of time, every technology was being promoted like mobile, internet, and how this can empower the citizens and the consumers in terms of making an informed choice based on credible information. It was also with the objective that we bring in good governance so that patients and consumers can access the service providers promptly and be able to access redressal and also information to make that informed choice. So this was the key objective of the Consumer Online Foundation at that point of time, where we wanted to use technology to its best of its utilization. In the year 2010, Consumer Online Foundation realized that it is time we are able to empower the patients to differentiate between genuine products that is medicines versus the counterfeit medicines. There was a huge amount of outcry globally in terms of there has been a huge amount of not of standard quality or counterfeit medicines in the supply chain. And that is what prompted us that can we use technology to empower the consumers to access quality medicines at the most affordable price based on what the doctors, the medical practitioners are prescribing, so that we are not shortchanged in terms of the brand and also in terms of quality and safety of the patients. The most important issue is whatever medicine it is administered to the patients, it should be safe and it should be as per the pharmacopoeia or the quality of the medicine prescribed in terms of standard. So the whole project and what we wanted to achieve is to empower the citizens, the patients, to be able to access the right medicine of right quality without compromising on the safety of the patients. So this project actually is trying to figure out that not even one medicine which is in the supply chain is counterfeited or not of quality medicine. The key achievement this project of ours has achieved by 2020 is that we were able to convince the government of India to conduct one of the largest ever study and survey in terms of the degree of not of safe medicine or spurious medicines in the supply chain in the country. So we made all the efforts in terms of technically conducting one of the largest survey of 47,000 medicine samples collected, which were from the essential medicines list of the WHO, and ensure that we do it scientifically so that it is not been able to be challenged in terms of the outcomes. So that was the one big achievement we achieved out of this initiative. And the second big achievement was strengthening the pharmacovigilance program of India, where adverse drug reactions are reported and ensuring that patient safety is not compromised at any cost. So these two initiatives have strengthened the consumers to not only report, but also the practicing physicians, the retailers, and everyone involved in the supply chain to report about adverse drug reaction to counter the menace of substandard products and spurious products in the supply chain. So I look at that I need support to sustain this project from all the stakeholders, especially every industry representatives or anybody who is ready to support in terms of patient safety, and all our members spread over more than 70 countries. We have 300 odd members to get connected, who are 52 disease focused, in order to tackle the menace of spurious and substandard medicines in the supply chain. So I call upon all stakeholders to support us in whatever manner they can in terms of financially, for us to support this initiative in the years to come.